Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 34 Irish Drive. This delightful extended 3-bedroom semi-detached property is within a quiet cul-de-sac. We have good space here for parking at the front. Okay, then moving into the property, and we have the kitchen here at the front of the house. Really well fitted with some integrated appliances, including eye-level double oven, microwave, washer dryer and dishwasher as well. There's also an induction hob with extractor above, and then in the cupboard in the corner we have the wall-mounted gas boiler. And then moving across to the utility room where there is further fitted storage cupboards, space for a large fridge freezer. There's also an additional base unit with cabinet above. Okay, then we can move through to the open plan living space. This is where the property has been extended here, which now provides fantastic accommodation. So ample space here for dining table and chairs. We have the fitted media wall with log effect electric fireplace, which is also remote controlled. And then we have the sky lantern above us, providing lots of natural light into the room, as well as having double doors and windows looking out across the rear garden. And then moving up onto the first floor, we have the landing area here, which provides access to the 3 bedrooms and bathroom. The first bedroom here facing towards the front aspect. So a good size double room where we have fitted wardrobes in 2 positions here. And then moving into the ensuite shower room where we have the corner shower cubicle, wash basin with mirror above, and WC. Then across to bedroom 2. This bedroom facing towards the rear of the property. And then we have bedroom 3, again benefiting from fitted wardrobes. And then we have the shower room here, fully tiled walls and flooring, corner shower cubicle, wash basin and toilet there as well. There's also the airing cupboard here on the landing, which houses the hot water cylinder. And then just moving outside into the garden, where we have an artificial grass area, some lovely paving and patio sections, raised flower bed borders, fenced boundaries. And then we also have the detached timber cabin, which has power points, a really nice relaxing area. And then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call us as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.